Hello guys, we are going to see about CFD analysis of shell-and-tube heat exchanger. In present day, shell-and-tube heat exchanger is the most common type of heat exchanger widely used in oil refineries and large chemical process plants since it suits high pressure applications. The objective of a project is to design a shell-and-tube heat exchanger with a WV baffle and study the flow and temperature field inside the shell using ANSYS workbench Fluent. In this project, we have changed the existing baffle with a modified WV baffle. Introduction about heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is a device used to transfer heat between two process streams. Heat exchanger are of two types. When both media between which heat is exchanged are in direct contact with each other is called as direct contact heat exchanger. Where both media are separated by a wall through which heat is transferred so that they never mix is called indirect type heat exchanger. A shell-and-tube heat exchanger. It is an indirect type heat exchanger used for high pressure applications around 550 bars. Shell-and-tube heat exchanger consists of series of tubes through which one fluid flows and a shell through which other fluid flows. This is the schematic diagram of a shell-and-tube heat exchanger. Major components of shell-and-tube heat exchangers are tubes, tube sheets, shell, impeachment plates, channel covers, and baffles. Tubes are the basic component of heat exchanger, and the outer surface of the tubes are the boundary along which heat transfer takes place. Therefore, highly recommended materials are used for production of tubes like copper, aluminium. Tube sheets are used to hold the tubes in a place. The tubes are welded or grooved into the tube sheets. Shell is the outer cover of the heat exchanger. In a shell, fluid flows. Baffles serve two main functions. Most importantly, they support the tubes in proper position, and second, it produces eddies which guide the flow inside the shell. Basic steps of CFD are problem statement, mathematical model, discretization process, CFD simulations, post-processing. These are the assumptions made. CFD versus experiment. CFD is fast, cheap, parallel and multi-purpose, whereas experiment is expensive, slow, sequential and single purpose. These are design calculations. And this is a reference for our heat exchanger. And these are dimensions of heat exchanger. And we draw the heat exchanger using Creo geometry, and meshing is made using hypermesh, where the number of nodes is around 5,86,300 and the element is around 53,170. This is the meshed model, and these are the boundary conditions of heat exchanger, where cold inlet velocity is around 1 and temperature is 20, where hot inlet velocity is 2 and temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. The temperature stream in graph shows the temperature across the cell side. These are the temperature stream in plot, and this is the temperature contour plot and velocity plot. These are the results obtained from CFD. Whereas in existing baffle, hot inlet is around 80 degrees Celsius and the output is 50, whereas in modified baffle, hot inlet is 80 and the outlet is 30. So in this project we have changed the design of the baffle so that we reduced temperature from 50 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the comparison of both results. Thank you.